Welcome to the KIP Color Series Developer Unit installation video. In this video, we'll show you how to install the developer unit into a KIP 600 series printer. For additional reference, visit the KIP website to download the KIP Color Series service manual. Required equipment: a Phillips head screwdriver. Firmly grasp the developer unit on each side. Using the guides, slowly lower the developer unit into position. When lowering the developer unit into position, keep the front of the unit away from the focus motors on the LED head assembly. Next, plug in the developer harness. Then plug in the HV harness on the drive side. Once the developer unit is placed back into the machine, reattach the developer locking brackets. Watch the next video in our KIP 600 series installation playlist. For additional reference, visit the KIP website to download the KIP 600 series setup guide 2.